Want to make $140 an hour without any special skills, college degree, and very little training? Let's get right into it. The side hustle we are talking about is a notary public. Ever wondered what a notary public actually does? A notary public is like a legal superhero, minus the cape. They're the guardians of important documents, ensuring that signatures are genuine and people are who they claim to be. It's not just about stamping papers. It's about being a crucial link in legal and business transactions. Picture this. You're the person who makes million-dollar deals possible, who helps families secure their futures, and who keeps the wheels of commerce turning smoothly. From real estate transactions to adoption papers, your signature and seal carry weight. It's a position of trust, responsibility, and did I mention serious earning potential? But here's the best part. You don't need years of expensive education to do this. Interested? You should be. Stay tuned because I'm about to reveal how this could be your golden ticket to a $140 an hour side hustle. Now, let's talk about why becoming a notary public isn't just a job. It's your passport to financial freedom. Imagine pocketing $140 an hour. That's not a typo, folks. We're talking serious cash for work that fits around your schedule. And unlike other side hustles that drain your savings before you even start, this gig has startup costs lower than your monthly coffee budget. And the best part? You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience. With minimal training, you could be up and running in no time. Think about it. Flexible hours, high earning potential, and a chance to be your own boss. It's the trifecta of side hustle perfection. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a 9-to-5 warrior looking for extra cash, or someone dreaming of entrepreneurial success, this opportunity is calling your name. Curious about how to get started? Keep watching. All right, let's cut to the chase. How do you become a notary public and start raking in that $140 hour? It's easier than you might think, and I'm about to break it down for you. First, check if you meet your state's requirements. Usually, you need to be 18, a legal resident, and have a clean record. Easy, right? Next, complete the required training. Don't worry, we're not talking about years of study. In most states, it's just a few hours of online courses. You could knock this out over a weekend while binge watching your favorite show. Then comes the state exam. Sure, it sounds intimidating, but with the right preparation, you'll ace it. Trust me, if I can do it, so can you. After that, it's just paperwork. Submit your application, pay the fees, remember low startup costs, and get bonded and insured. It's like putting on your superhero suit. You're now officially ready to notarize. But here's the best part. Each state has its own quirks and requirements, and that's where the real money-making secrets lie. Stick around, because I'm about to reveal how understanding these nuances can skyrocket your earnings and put you leagues ahead of the competition. Ready to transform your financial future? The next part is where the magic happens. Now, let's talk money. $140 an hour isn't just a catchy headline. It's a reality waiting for you to grab it. But how exactly do you turn this side hustle into a cash cow? First, let's break it down. Your state sets a base fee for notary services. That's your foundation. But the real money? It's in the add-ons. Travel fees, rush services, after-hours appointments. These are your golden tickets to financial freedom. Picture this. You're called to notarize documents for a last-minute business deal. It's 9 p.m. on a Friday. You charge your base fee, plus a travel fee, a rush service fee, and an after-hours fee. Suddenly, that 30-minute appointment just earned you $140. Do the math. That's $280 an hour. But here's the secret. Focus on high-demand services. Real estate transactions, legal documents, loan signings, these are where the big bucks are. Become the go-to notary for these services and you'll have more work than you can handle. And here's the cherry on top, mobile notary services. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king. Be the notary who goes to the client and you'll not only charge premium rates, but also corner the market. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sounds great, but how do I get all these clients? Well, my friend, in the next section, I'm going to reveal my foolproof marketing strategies that'll have clients beating down your door. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Listen up, because this is where your $140 hour dream becomes reality. Marketing your notary business isn't just about getting clients, it's about becoming the notary everyone wants to hire. And I'm about to show you how. First, create a killer website. This is your 24/7 salesperson. Make it professional, easy to navigate, and packed with reasons why you're the best notary in town. But don't stop there. Next, get listed on every notary directory you can find. These are gold mines for clients actively seeking notaries. Be where they're looking, and you're halfway to closing the deal. Now, here's the secret weapon. Network like your financial future depends on it, because it does. Real estate agents, lawyers, banks, these are your ticket to consistent, high-paying gigs. Build relationships with them and watch your calendar fill up. But wait, there's more. Social media isn't just for cat videos. It's your free marketing powerhouse. Share tips, answer questions, become the notary guru everyone turns to. Before you know it, you'll be the first name that pops up when someone needs a notary. Sounds like a lot? Don't worry. In the next section, I'll reveal my top tips for success that'll make all of this feel like a breeze. Trust me, you won't want to miss these game-changing strategies. Ready to take your notary business to the next level? Now, let's turn you into a notary superstar. These insider tips are the difference between struggling and thriving. First, customer service isn't just important, it's everything. Be professional, punctual, and personable. Word of mouth can make or break you, so make every interaction count. Stay organized like your income depends on it, because it does. Invest in good record-keeping systems and tools. Trust me, this small effort pays big dividends. Here's the game changer. Never stop learning. Notary laws change, and staying ahead of the curve puts you leagues above the competition. Be the expert everyone trusts. But the real secret sauce? Specialization. Find your niche. Maybe it's real estate, maybe it's legal documents. Become the go-to notary in that field and watch your rates skyrocket. All right, let's bring it home. We've uncovered the secret to a $140-hour side hustle that's hiding in plain sight. Becoming a notary public isn't just a job, it's your ticket to financial freedom. Think about it. Low startup costs, flexible hours, and the potential to earn more in 1 hour than most people make in a day. This isn't just a side gig, it's a game changer. You've got the roadmap. You know the steps to get certified, the strategies to market yourself, and the insider tips to outshine the competition. The only question left is, what are you waiting for? Your future self is thanking you for watching this video. But don't stop here. Take action now. Start your notary journey today and step into the life you've always dreamed of. Like this video, hit subscribe, and drop a comment telling me when you're starting your notary business. Your adventure begins now.